everyone, welcome back to yet another vlog of Udaipur. Say hi.
Hi everyone.
So it's our anniversary today, and I'm sure you must have checked out the Fatehgarh vlog. If you haven't, then please check it out. I will link it over here or in the description. Today is all about this very gorgeous property. It is Taj Lake, where we are right now heading to, and the ferry point is just 5 minutes away. So I thought to start the vlog right now. So thrilled and excited. So make sure you stick till the end and watch the entire vlog. I'm gonna take you through the entire day. Okay.
Beautiful courtyard is known as Jhankar Courtyard.
Okay.
What is it called?
Jhankar Courtyard.
Okay.
The word Jhankar means music beats. So in earlier time, king used to sit in that alcove and watch dance performances here. So now also we follow same tradition and organize some Rajasthani folk dances here in the evening at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay.
Straight terrace outside is also part of the garden.
Okay, that's fine. Drinks with a view.
So you can enjoy evening sunset also from here.
Oh, the sunset happens here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh.
Beautiful part of our palace, lily pond.
Okay.
And we call this lily pond because it is in the shape of open lily flower.
Oh, okay.
One most famous movie of James Bond was also partly shot over here,
Oh,
Octopussy.
Okay.
And King used to play holy in the same pond.
Okay.
wow.
So those glass windows on ground floor,
Okay.
that's our restaurant, Jaroka.
Jaroka. Okay.
Wow. Hi. Welcome to our room here at Taj Lake Palace, guys. Okay, so let's start with the room tour first and then the bathroom, because the bathroom is here at the right side. But we are gonna show you guys that later. So this is the place, this space we've utilized to keep all of our luggage. And what I absolutely love is that this is looking like a wall, but it's actually a cupboard. So there's the locker safe and everything, and some drawers over here, which is nice. Some extra pillows, I guess. And this is the main part of the bedroom. And that lovely ceiling, by the way, the fan and the lights above are just beautiful. The architecture is so gorgeous, guys. Look at that. And this is the gorgeous bed on which I'm gonna lie down, but later. Right now I can't wait to just explore the entire property. But okay, this is a table and chair where we've kept my tripod and other stuff. And this is another cabinet. That's the TV there, and this is the TV unit, an extra cabinet. Okay, so this is the fridge and some glasses over here, the coffee and tea. Yeah, this is the pretty surprise that Taj Lake has arranged for us. And this is a handmade umbrella which they've gifted to us, and inside that is this lovely cake. It's a chocolate cake, and I'm so thankful to these guys. But Ishan Bhaiya, thank you so much for having a conversation with these people over here. We did not know you were letting them know about our anniversary and how beautifully they've planned everything for us. So I'm really thankful to you for thinking about us. And this is a very beautiful couch space and that gorgeous view. You can see the city palace, guys, over there. It's going to look even more beautiful in the evening. But this is the lovely view of Udaipur and the Lake Pichola from our room. And I'm gonna lie down over here for now. So guys, now we've changed and it's lunchtime. You can see a bonus sari. It's very beautiful pastel pink. I wanted to wear something which is day appropriate, and I wanted to wear sari for my big day, for our big day. I should stop saying my, because now we're sharing this day, and I should probably change my side because now this is brighter. Okay, so we are going for lunch, and our lunch is planned here only at the Lake Palace. It's at this restaurant by the name Jharoka. So I'm really excited and looking forward to what's in lunch and how the lunch over here is, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go. changed for dinner, and the City Palace view is looking so gorgeous. I will show you that. And we just saw the dance which they had arranged at the Lake Palace itself. This happens every evening at 6 p.m. It was really such a beautiful dance. The dancers invited a few of us, like few of the girls, to dance with them. They performed on some very famous Rajasthani songs. We also witnessed a beautiful sunset from the Lake Palace, although we missed it by a minute or two, but I still try to make a time lapse. And we explored the property. We went to two terraces. There was one Sajjan Terrace and the other one was Mewar Terrace. It was such a beautiful sight. Like, we clicked so many pictures, and I'm sure those who follow me on Instagram have already seen a few of those pictures. All right, now I'm gonna quickly change, as I said, and get ready for the evening. Guys, it's such a pretty and sunny morning from a palace room here at the Lake Palace. You can see the beautiful lake behind me, and again, that's the City Palace. Of course, I showed you that in the previous clippings. And it's 9ish now. We need to get ready for breakfast. Also, I forgot to give you guys bathroom tour for some reasons, because I was like so lost in the beauty of the room and the carvings and the beautiful architecture, these pastel walls, that I forgot the bathroom tour. So let me show you around the bathroom. And my bubble bath is also ready, but let's take it to the bathroom now. Just how gorgeous is this door, guys? The color, the paints, the handle, everything is just so classy. And well, this is the bathroom, and love the tiles and the designs on it. And these toiletries are extra ones, but can you just have a look at the beautiful marble wash basin? And this is again something which I've seen like for the first time. They've kept like an extra take me home pouch for the leftover toiletries. Like, this is how the wash basin looks. That's me. Hi. And well, this is the best part. As I said, my bubble bath is all ready and I can't wait to dip in. But this is what the shower area and the bath area looks like. So gorgeous. So we are back to our room from breakfast, and it's time for us to pack all of our luggage and check out. I guess there's just half an hour more for us to check out, and I have to say we thoroughly enjoyed the breakfast, and even last night dinner was so good. Like, that food is really nice. I mean, they cater it to your needs and your taste buds. So in case you want something to be extra spicy, or if you don't like the bland taste, like I am someone who loves spicy food, so they really cater to our needs. And I have to say the hospitality is so good, the service is so good, the staff is, I think it's needless to say, but the staff is so well trained. They are just so polite. So yeah, I guess we'll check out now, and I'll catch you guys in the car. Alright guys, so this brings me to the end of the vlog, and with a sad heart I have to say that we proceeded to Ahmedabad now. We left Udaipur and it was so heartbreaking to say bye to the Lake Palace, We had such a good time, and you know the best thing is that they are taking utmost precautions, especially during this time of the pandemic. When you check out from the room, they don't provide the same room to another guest for at least 2 days, and that's a resting period for the room. So I think that's really great and something which is commendable. And you know, all the 3 meals, as I had earlier said, they were inclusive in our plan, but the best thing is that it was a la carte, not a buffet, because in buffet there are more chances of contamination because you touch the same spoon and the handles. So yeah, I guess that's about it. One more thing I want to say is that because they knew it's our anniversary, they provided us an upgraded room. We had earlier booked the luxury Lakeview room, but they provided us the palace room, and obviously you saw the tour of the room. It was just so breathtaking, and the view was so breathtaking, by the way. So yeah, I guess that's it. I will leave the details about the travel company with whom we booked this package, because they really provided us a great deal and a great offer. So I will leave the details in the description, so please make sure you check that out as well. Thank you so much for being a part of our anniversary and watching the entire vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section which was your favorite part about the vlog, and I guess we'll just say bye to you guys now. Say bye.
Bye guys, please subscribe to the channel.
Oh yeah, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Until then, take care, lots of love. Bye bye.